Hello everyone, today we're opening a Blackstone 20-inch adventure ready camping griddle we bought at Walmart. I'm looking for a different way to outdoor cook the campground. We figured we might give this a try, so we're going to open this up and see what it looks like. There it is in the box, looks fairly decently packed. Once we get this open, I'll show you the main differences. This has a aluminum griddle with ceramic coating on top, so we don't have to worry about it rusting, because we loved our other Blackstone, but we never were able to keep up with the rust on it because we didn't use it enough. So we're going to give this one a try. Okay, here it is all opened up. It's got these little rubber things to hold it shut. Carry handle. So basically you would open these up, flip it up, and then it says there's a release underneath to get the griddle off, because we need to wash the griddle before we use it. It says you twist and push. That little thing there says twist and push, and we will get that off. I'll show you in a second here. So yeah, there's this little catch mechanism in here to keep the griddle locked in here. Then you pull it up and slide it that way, it comes out. I need to go get a cutting device to get this is a regulator and valve and fitting for the little 1 pound tanks. I bought this adapter hose so we can use it with the large tanks. So we don't like using those little tanks. And they also have a adapter for the side of our trailer for our propane access on the side of the trailer. That should come in handy. Okay, so I cut the little zip tie. Found it has a little hole cut here and a clip to put it into for traveling. So when you put it all together, it all stays good. Around the back side of it here. Close this. Oops. Gotta pick that up. Close this. Grease traps back here. Flip that, and then you pull it out. Right there. And that locks it in there. So we're going to get this hooked up and light it up and see what happens. Okay, so there it is, hooked to the larger propane tank like I said we were going to. So it looks like you turn it on and then you would spark it. I don't see any gas flowing. I don't hear any gas flowing. I guess it was flowing. It's all lit. I don't know if you can see it through there, but it's all lit up now. So we'll get it hot and then we'll get going with it. Okay, so we got a couple of burgers on here, a couple of hot dogs. Had it all lit up and nice and hot, staying hot. The electric one sometimes tends to lose heat when you throw some cold stuff on it. The other thing I found is I had to pop out the grease trap and turn it around and hook it on there. It stores underneath it, but it needs to be pulled out so that it actually has places to grip in the back. It looks like it's maintaining heat pretty good. We'll see how it goes.